Hello everybody, and welcome to yet another wonderful session on Vedantu Young Wonders. And this is your master teacher, Haripriya. How is everybody doing? All good? All good? Yes? Hi Rishi, hi Vishal. Hello, good evening, good evening. Thank you, Vishal. Hi Shrihita. Hello. Hi Advik. Chalo. Good evening and welcome to yet another sprint session for grade 7th, and we are going to do the topic, the chapter lines and angles. So we will be finishing the entire chapter along with few important questions that might end up coming in your exams. Okay? So we're going to start with a quick dose of motivation. Whatever you are, be a good one. So what is important is, like, whatever you're doing in life, make sure you're good at it. Okay, so it can be literally anything. It can be like playing badminton, it can be playing cricket, whatever you want, you like. If you want to be a scientist, be good at it. Okay, so hello Vishal, hello. And yes, please be good to people as well around you. Hi Vipul, hi Acharya, good evening. Hi Aparna, good evening. Hi Jyoti, welcome, welcome. I'm doing great, Rishi. How are you? Acha, Vishal is Nia. Acha, theek hai. Awesome. So before we get started, yes, you know what to do. One job. No, not one job. 2, 3 jobs you have during the class. One is sitting with a paper, a book, and a pen. Because it's a math class, it's not a movie that you sit with a popcorn and eat what I'm, and see what I'm teaching. You have to do it along with me. Next, like this video and share this video with your friends as well. Okay? Chalo, let us get started with the chapter lines and angles. Now, lines and angles are two different parts, but they're somehow related to each other also. How? First, before we jump into that, let us talk about the different types of lines that we have. So, we have a line and a line segment. Now, what is the difference between a line and a line segment? A line can be extended infinitely on both the sides. I'll keep on stretching it, it'll keep on extending. But whereas a line segment has a fixed length, it has a starting point and an ending point. Okay, so if I say find the length of a line, you cannot find the length of a line. You can find the length of a line segment. So we have a line which can be extended on both the sides, infinitely on both the sides. Then you have a ray which has a starting point, but it does not have any ending point. The other side of the ray can be kept on stretching infinitely to wherever you want to. Okay? Then you have the line segment. It has a starting point and an ending point. And you can measure the length of the line segment. You cannot measure the length of the ray also. And then we have parallel lines. Lines that never meet each other are called as parallel lines. And then we have the perpendicular lines. Two lines intersect at this point. है ना? At the point of intersection, if they're making an angle of 90 degrees, the two angles are said to be perpendicular lines. They are perpendicular to each other. And then you have intersecting lines. Two lines randomly intersecting at this one point, let's say O, then these two lines are called as intersecting lines. Easy peasy? Yes, easy peasy. Awesome, awesome. Line can be stretched infinitely. Ray also can be stretched infinitely, but only on one side. The other side is fixed. Okay? Now, lines part is over. Now, what about angles? Now, when two rays or line segments meet and have a common point, starting point, then an angle is formed. That common point is called as the vertex. These AB and BC are called as the arms of the angle. And this region between these two arms is called as an angle. And then we have learnt about the different types of angle that we have. The first one is an acute angle. All the angles lying between 0 and 90 degree are acute. all the angles which are exactly equal to 90 degree, exactly equal to 90 degree is called as a right angle. And then we have an obtuse angle, angles which are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. And then you have a straight angle where the angle is exactly equal to 180 degree. Then it is a reflex angle, angles which are greater than 180 but less than 360. And then we have a complete angle where the angle is exactly equal to 360. Now how do you denote this 360? Because it more or less looks like a zero angle. Now this is a zero angle, 0 degree. But 0 degree and 360 are almost the same but with a small twist. In 360, you indicate it with this arrow, which indicates that there is one complete rotation. Okay? Everybody understood the types of angles? Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. You need to know these names by heart, guys. You need to know the names here. Yep. Awesome. Hi, Pratishta. I'm doing great. How are you, bacha? Yo, awesome, awesome. Very nice. Chalo. Now let us talk about complementary and supplementary angles. When do you say two angles are complementary? When they add up to 90 degree. When they add up to 90 degree is when you can say that they are complementary. When two angles add up to 180, 180 is what? 180 is straight. Straight starts with S. Supplementary is S. SS, straight angle. So whenever you're getting confused between complementary and supplementary, remember this trick. Supplementary starts with S, right? S is straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. So when you add two angles and it is equal to 180 degree, they are called as supplementary angles. All good? Yes? Chalo. Now let us talk about an adjacent angle. A lot of you get confused with adjacent angles. Now what is an adjacent angle? Now how many angles? Let's name them. A, O, B, B, O, C. Now when you see there is angle AOB, angle BOC, and also there is another angle, angle AOC, right? Now why did I write this separately? Because this is the entire angle. Okay. Now AOB and BOC are adjacent angles. Why are they adjacent? Because they have a common vertex. They have a common arm, which is OB. OB is here. OB is also here. So they have a common arm. And the two angles are not overlapping each other. They are not one above the other. Now, when you see angle AOC and angle AOB, you can see that there is an overlap. Angle AOC is this entire angle that I am painting in red. है ना? And angle AOB is this angle that I am painting in blue. Now, are they overlapping here? Yes. So, can I say that they are adjacent angles? No. When the angles are overlapping each other, they cannot be adjacent angles. Did you understand? Did you understand the definition now? Only when the two angles are separate. They are not sitting on each other. Adjacent, if you are sitting adjacent to your best friend, तो side बैठोगे ना, best friend के ऊपर थोड़ी बैठोगे. You will not sit on your best friend, right? You will sit next to your best friend. So when two angles AOB and BOC have a common vertex and a common arm, and they are not overlapping. Okay, they are not overlapping. Then you can say that the two angles are adjacent to each other. Okay, okay, awesome. Chalo. Now here, as you can see, this angle and this angle is adjacent because they have a common vertex, common arm, and they are not overlapping. They are not sitting above each other. They're sitting next to each other. Okay. Now what is happening here? They do not have a common vertex. Now this angle has a vertex this, and angle B has a vertex here. So they have a common arm, but the vertex is not common. So can they be adjacent? They are not adjacent to each other. Okay? So what is adjacent? They should have a common arm, they should have a common vertex, and they should not overlap. They should not sit one above the other. They should sit side by side. Okay? Okay. Now, let us talk about linear pair of angles. Now, for an angle to be linear pair, first thing is they have to be adjacent to each other. What is that they have to be? They have to be adjacent to each other. And the second criteria is when you add them, they have to be supplementary angles. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, अगर हमने already supplementary सीख लिया है कि when you add two angles it is 180, they are supplementary, then why are we learning linear pair? What is the difference between supplementary angles and linear pair of angles? Now when I talk about the supplementary angles, they need not be adjacent. Need not be what? Adjacent. But when I am talking about linear pair, angles, they have to be adjacent. Okay? That is the difference between supplementary and linear pair. Both of them add up to 180 degree. But linear pair of angles have to be adjacent also. And they have to add up to 180 degree. Both should happen. Okay? Okay, everybody? Everybody understood what's a linear pair? Now, then we have our vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect, four angles are being formed, right? And this is our point of intersection. Now, angle 1 and angle 3 are sitting opposite to each other. Just like how you and me are sitting opposite, 1 and 3 are also sitting opposite to each other. And 2 and 4 are sitting opposite to each other. So what can we say? Vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. If angle 1 is 110, angle 3 also will be 110. If angle 4 is 70 degree, angle 2 is also equal to 70 degree, right? So please remember, vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. What are they? They are equal to each other. Okay? Now sprint session कब खत्म होगी? जब पूरा syllabus खत्म हो जाएगा तब. ठीक है? चलो. Hi Aparna, Vinu, welcome to the class, welcome to the channel. Next, let's talk about a transversal. When I take two lines and then pass a line through them, intersecting them at two different points, then you can see there are angles which are formed here. Are you seeing these angles? Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are angles which are formed by the transversal. Now, there are names for these angles. The first one we're going to learn about is the corresponding angle. Now, when two lines are parallel and they are cut by a transversal, each pair of corresponding angles are equal to each other. Now, what is a corresponding angle? There are two lines, there is a transversal. Now, here is one corresponding angle, here is another corresponding angle. How do you know? Corresponding angles are same side of the transversal. They are on the same side. See, this angle is to the right side. This angle also is to the right side of the transversal. Okay? But one is in the exterior region outside the two lines and one is in the interior region. So this is our corresponding angles. Yes? Now, when two lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles become equal to each other. So this measure and this measure will become equal to each other when two lines are parallel. And then you have alternate interior angles. Alternate angles refers to one is on the right side, other one is on the left side of the transversal, है ना? And they are in the इंटीरियर रीजन ऑफ द टू लाइन्स. जो दो लाइन्स है उनके बीच में जो एंगल्स है दे आर कॉल्ड एज इंटीरियर एंगल्स. So here they are alternate interior, and then we have alternate exterior. Again, one is to the right side and the other is to the left side, but both are in the exterior region, matlab outside the two lines. So if I take two lines like this, so all the space above this and below this is the exterior region, outside region. And what do we know? When two lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal and alternate exterior angles are also equal to each other. ठीक है? Okay? All good? Thank you, Ashok. Now, next we have co-interior angles. Co is angles on the same side of the transversal. Now, this is a transversal. Now, this is also to the right side. This is also to the right side. And both of them are lying in the interior region. है ना? So what are they called? They are called as co-interior angles. They are both on the same side of the transversal. They are called as co-interior angles. And then what are co-exterior? They are also on the same side of the transversal, but on the exterior side of the two lines. Okay, everybody? Did everybody understand? Can we move forward with the questions? The first question is on your screen. If two angles are supplementary angles, if two supplementary angles have equal measure, what is the measure of each angle? What are they telling? That two supplementary angles are equal to each other. So since they are supplementary, they will be equal to what? Can somebody tell me? X plus X is equal to what? Thank you, Jyoti. 180, because they are supplementary. So 2x is equal to 180. Your x is equal to 180 by 2, which is equal to 90 degrees. So what is the measure of each angle here? Each of its angle is equal to 90 degree. Very good. In the following figure, FD and AE are parallel to each other. Angle ABC is 49 degree. You have to find the value of ABC plus DCB. Now, what is the value of DCB, guys? इसका क्या value हो सकता है? FD and AE are parallel. What is the value of DCB? Why? Why? Shrihita, Isha, why is it 49? Why is it 49? Can you give me a reason on why are the angles equal? Sharanya has got it right. Palak has got it right. Vinayak, not vertically, bacha. Alternate interior angles. This is one line. This is another line. And then there is a transversal, right? So this angle and this angle are alternate. One is to the right side, one is to the left side, but they are in the inside region of the two lines. So they are alternate interior angles. Angle ABC is equal to angle DCB, which is equal to 49. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. So what is that we want? We want the sum of them. So 49 plus 49. 9 plus 9 is 18. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So what is the angle? The angle is 98 degree. Guys, 108 कैसे आया आपको? It's not 108, it's 98. Rishi, what happened to your addition? सब में गलत हो गया, ठीक है, ध्यान से करना नेक्स्ट टाइम. अपर्णा, एल्जीब्राइक एक्सप्रेशंस का हम करेंगे, सब करेंगे, सारे चैप्टर्स का करेंगे. मैंने थोड़े चैप्टर्स ऑलरेडी कर दिया है, तो प्लीज वंस गो चेक आउट आवर पेज, यू विल फाइंड वीडियोस ऑफ दैट एज वेल. ठीक है, ओके. चल, find the value of x. Now here, what is that you see? Your angle AOD, DOC and COB are lying on a straight line. है ना? They are lying on a straight line and they are adjacent to each other also. So they are linear triplets because they are three angles. Since they are lying on a straight line, when you add them, it has to be, hi Anjana, Lok. When you add them, it has to be equal to what? What will this be equal to? Can somebody tell me? अच्छा, x का value पता लग गया? Exactly, it is equal to 180 degree. X plus x, 3x plus 30 is equal to 180. So your 3x is equal to 180 minus 30, which is 150. So your x is equal to 50 degrees. So what is the value of your x? Your x is equal to 50 degree. How do you find the remaining angle? 50 plus 10, 60. 50 plus 20, 70. So what are the angles? 50, 60 and 70. Hi Anusha. 50, 60 and 70. All good? Okay. अच्छा, linear pair is deleted from the portion for us. अच्छा, ठीक है, कोई नहीं, no problem. Okay, A and B are parallel to each other, intersected by the transversal PQ at L and M respectively. Angle LMD is 35. What is ALM? First, let's talk about ALM. What is the value of X? Angle ALM will be equal to what? Can somebody tell me here? Palak, Isha, Shrihita, Aparna, Shruti, very good. It is again equal to 35. Why? Yes, they are alternate interior angles. Now, angle PLA, this one. Can somebody tell me what is the angle PLA? Now, we know that this is 35. Angle ALM and PLA are adjacent. They are linear pairs of angles. So angle PLA will be 180 minus 35. 7 minus 3 will give you 4. And then you have 1. So it is 145 degree. Very good. Very good everybody. Very well done. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Awesome. I love the energy. Do not forget to hit the like button, guys. Huh? I can see 33 people are live, but only 19 likes. I'm not liking this. Why? हाँ, इतना बढ़िया explanation हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Why is nobody liking? Hi Anusha. Yes, Bacha, I know I have not seen your name before. Chal. Find the values of A, B, C and D. So first let's start with A. Can somebody tell me what is the value of A here? Value of A? Liked? Awesome. Thank you. A is 110. Why? Give me the reason. Also, please give me the reason. Why is A 110? Very good. They are vertically opposite to each other. So this will be 110. Very nice. Can somebody tell me B? What is the value of B? B का क्या होगा भाई? Exactly. Why is it 110? Can somebody tell me why? Why is it 110? alternate interior angles या corresponding angles, because this is 110. No, angle A and angle B are corresponding. Corresponding angles are also equal to each other. So very good. Now what about C? What about C? Can somebody tell me C? Before you find C, अच्छा ठीक है, C का first बता दो. Which cake do you like the most? Yesterday my birthday was there. Right now I'm eating a cake. My favorite is chocolate chip. Please tell yours. Vaishnavi, mine is also chocolate chips. Eat an extra cake from my side also. Exactly. It is 85 degree because they are alternate interior angles. So what is angle D? Angle D is also 85 because vertically opposite, or you can use corresponding angles. Angle D and angle C are corresponding. So they are equal to each other. Easy peasy. Sabko samajh aaya? Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. You guys understood here? All good? Okay, okay. Ma'am, but C is in the exterior position. No, exterior क्यों है? See, these are the two lines, no? And this is the transversal. So it is interior between the two lines. It is between the two lines. Look at the lines here. L and M are the lines. L and M are the lines. Okay? Understood? Chal, next question. PQ and RS are parallel to each other. We have to find PXR. Now, if they are parallel to each other, can I extend it like this? Now, this acts as a transversal, है ना? अगर मैंने ऐसे extend कर दिया इनको, तो ये बन गया हमारा transversal. Correct? Yes. Actually, there are so many ways to do this question. There's no one or two ways. There's so many ways to do the question. Now, what I will do is I'll extend it. Okay? I'll extend the transversal. So, if this is 70, this also will be 70. Okay? Let's take this to be O. Now, in triangle XOR, 50 plus 70 plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property, है ना? Angle sum property. I don't teach grade 8th, I teach grade 6th, 7th, 9th and 10th on YouTube. Okay, so 120 plus Y is equal to 180. So what is the value of Y? Y is this angle. What is the value of Y? 180 minus 120, which is equals to 60 degree. So from here, Y plus angle, let's take this to be X. Y plus X is equal to 180 because they are lying on a straight line and they are adjacent, they are linear pair. So 60 plus X is equal to 180. So from here, what is the value of your X? 80 minus 60, which is 120 degree. Okay? There's so many ways to go about this question. I have taken this, extended it. Okay, this is also 70, alternate interior angles. If this is 70, you can find this angle of a triangle. They are linear pair. You add up, you get 120. Okay, chalo. It is a VQuiz time. How can you join the VQuiz? What you can do is, just give me 1 minute. हाँ, just give me 1 minute here. मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको कैसे join कर सकते हो. Okay, so guys, what you can do here is open the video that you're watching right now. जो आप देख रहे हो ना video, उसके description एक तो like कर दो video को. Do not forget to like the video. Okay, now in the description box you can see here. Click here to join VQuiz, right? So click on this link. If this link is not working, open a new tab and type vquiz.in and enter. Now it will ask for a code here. Please enter the code. The code is 228097. 228097. Thank you, Shivani. Already joined? Awesome. I can see 4 people have already joined. Quick, quick, quick. Are you ready? I will start in 5, 4. The code is 228097. 5, 4, 3. Sonia, okay, I'll wait, but please make it fast. Hurry up, hurry up. Sixteen people have joined. I'll count till 5 and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and go. I've counted till 10. Come on, guys. The first question on your screen, the sum of the measure of the angles in a linear pair is, if you have a linear pair of angles and when you add them, what is the sum equal to? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a time up and very good everybody. It is a 180-degree linear pair. Let us look at the leaderboard. We have Kritishna, Rishu, Manya, Advik, Mritika, Sharanya, Rishi and Aradhya. Very well done. The second question is on your screens, everybody. Which of the following statements is true? 4 statements are given. Lot of time is given. Analyze each statement and submit your answers. So you are Aradhya. Okay. Come on, guys. Hurry up. 30 seconds. Khalid, open a new tab, type VQuiz.in and use the code 228097. 3, 2, 1. Very good everybody. The correct answer is option D. 2 right angles form a linear pair. What are right angles? 90-degree. So if I take a 90-degree and attach next to a 90-degree, they become a linear pair because they add up to 180-degree. And then we have Kritishna, Manya, Sharanya, Rishu, Advik, Mritika, Crazy, Rishi and Aradhya. Very nice. The third question's on your screens. Supplementary angle of 80-degree is. What is the supplement of 80-degree? Have you closed study with me? Yes. For now, we have closed the study with me series. maybe we will open up before your exams. Okay? The timer has started. Hurry up. It's an easy question, guys. And that's a time up. Very good. Very good, everybody. The supplement of 80 is 180 minus 80, which is equal to 100. And let us look at the leaderboard. We have Kritishna, Sharanya, Rishu, Manya, Crazy, Rishi, Aradhya, Advik, Mritika. Very nice. Your fourth question on your screens, everybody. If you're not able to join through normal this thing, open a incognito mode. Guys, there's a small twist in this question. You have to find the value of x, not 2x. I just want the value of x. 2x is that entire angle. And the timer starting. 3, 2, 1, and let us see. Oh my God. Very good. Very good, everybody. The correct actually, x has to be 30. Correct. Now here x plus x is 120. Correct? But I want the value of x. So that is 60, not 30. Right? Let me just show this to you here. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? There are two lines. There is a transversal and then there was a line like this. Now this is x. This is also x. Now this is equal to 60 degree. Now if this is 60, this will also be 60. So this x plus x plus 60 is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. See, they are lying on a straight line. So 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 180 minus 60. So 2x is equal to 60. X is equal to, I am so sorry. This has to be 120. X is equal to 120 by 2, which is 60 degree. Understood? Everybody? 180 minus 60 is 120. 2x is 120. So x is equal to 60. Now let us look at the leaderboard. We have Kritishna, Manya, Sharanya, Rishu, Advik, Mritika, Crazy, Rishi, Aradhya and Ayush. Oh, very good. The fifth question is on your screens. नमस्ते सूर्य प्रकाश. आप ऐसे like guest appearance देते हो हमेशा. In the following figure, two straight angles AB and CD are intersecting each other at the point O. The angles thus formed at O are marked. Then what is angle X minus angle Y? Two lines are intersecting, four angles are forming. What is happening there then? I've given a lot of time for this. Quick. And let us look at this. Very good everybody. Guys, angle Y will be 62. Angle X will be 180 minus 62, right? So angle X minus angle Y will be 56. We are using the concepts of vertically opposite angles are equal to each other and linear pairs of angles add up to supplementary. Let us look at the final leaderboard, and we have Kritishna leading the leaderboard. Then we have Sharanya and Manya. Very well done. Very well done, everybody. Great work. Okay. कहाँ गया हमारा PPT? So we have learned lines and angles today. Very important concepts: linear pair, corresponding angles, cointerior angles, alternate interior angles, and all of that. Please go back and do all the exercise related questions of this chapter. You don't need anything else. Literally, you don't have to go anything else. Okay? CBSE date sheet देकर we have given enough prep holidays. Sarcastic लग रहा है. Okay. All the best for your exams anyway. सूर्य प्रकाश date sheet आ गया grade 10th का, तो शुरू हो जाओ तुम लोग. ठीक है? So with this, we are going to end the session here. Thank you so much. You people were lovely. I'll meet you in the next class. This is your master teacher, Haripriya, signing off.